How do I contact Wealthsimple? Hey there, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to contact Wealthsimple. I know that Wealthsimple is a great company with a lot to offer, but sometimes it can be tough to get in touch with them. I've been using Wealthsimple for a while now, and I've had some great experiences with their customer service team. So, I wanted to share my tips with you in case you're ever in need of help. Before you contact Wealthsimple, there are a few things you should do. Check out their website. Wealthsimple has a lot of information on their website, including their contact information, FAQs, and tutorials. You may be able to find the answers to your questions without having to contact anyone. Use their online chat feature. Wealthsimple has an online chat feature that is available 24/7. This is a great way to get in touch with someone quickly and easily. Search for your question in their knowledge base. Wealthsimple has a knowledge base that contains answers to common questions. You may be able to find the answer to your question here. How to contact Wealthsimple. If you haven't been able to find the answers to your questions using the methods above, here are a few ways to contact Wealthsimple. Call Wealthsimple. You can call Wealthsimple at 1-844-239-4739. Email Wealthsimple. You can email Wealthsimple at email address removed. Send Wealthsimple a message through their online chat feature. Use Wealthsimple's social media channels. Wealthsimple is active on social media, so you can try sending them a message through one of their channels. What to expect when you contact Wealthsimple. When you contact Wealthsimple, you can expect to be treated with respect and professionalism. Wealthsimple's customer service team is very knowledgeable and helpful. They will do their best to answer your questions and resolve any issues you have. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Here are a few additional tips for contacting Wealthsimple. Be patient. It may take some time for Wealthsimple to respond to your inquiry. Be polite and respectful. Wealthsimple's customer service team is always happy to help, but they will be more likely to do so if you are polite and respectful. Be specific about your question. The more specific you are about your question, the easier it will be for Wealthsimple to help you. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I would love to hear from you. Additional information. You can find more information about Wealthsimple on their website, https://www.wealthsimple.com. You can also follow Wealthsimple on social media. Twitter, https://twitter.com/wealthsimple. Facebook, https://www.facebook.com/wealthsimple. Instagram, https://www.instagram.com/wealthsimple.